Hello, I'm Ankita. I welcome you all to another exciting episode of Spice Box. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Padam Puri Murg. The ingredients to make our today's dish are red chili powder, coriander seeds, diced onion, fenugreek seeds, salt, whole dried red chili, whole ground spices, cloves, curd, cumin seeds, condensed milk, ginger garlic paste, ginger julienne, chicken, cooking oil. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Add cumin seeds, hand crushed coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds. It is very good for digestion. Bay leaves, black cardamom, mace, whole dried red chili, cloves. As soon as ground spices start crackling, add diced onion. Fry onions till it turns golden brown. Now add half a spoon ginger garlic paste and curd. Pour some water and leave it to cook with curd. Wait for curd to leave grease from sides. Now add 1 spoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. Leave it to cook for few minutes. Now add condensed milk. After adding condensed milk, you can see the gravy has got a nice color and texture. Now the gravy is ready and it is time to add chicken pieces. Add some water and stir gently. Cover it with lid to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the dish is ready and it is time to serve. Empty it in a bowl. And garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Sprinkle red chili powder over it. So, today's recipe was Padam Puri Murg. We will meet again with a new recipe. Till then, goodbye.